Any followers of social media, this is JR Painting Solutions. Please call 077 919 39602 for all your free quotes upon request. Here we have a bedroom and a hall stairs and landing. This one's done in denim blue, Dulux trade, white 2 coats of white on the ceiling, undercoat and gloss on all the doors. And the hall stairs and landing we have natural slates, preparation, 2 coats of vinyl mat on the ceilings, vinyl mat on the walls, undercoat and gloss, Dulux trade on the walls and crowned wall-based undercoat and gloss top coat. One sec.